video and didn't care. Today I'm going to draft the mermaid skirt, hairline cut together with tail. Let's get to it. The measurement I'm going to need is waist measurement, the circumference of my waist, my hip circumference, then the full length of the skirt. This will be my waistline. From the waist, I'm going to measure. My paper is folded into two. I'm going to measure 18.5 inches, which is the standard, before the knee. 18.5 inches. Then the full length of the skirt, which is 40 inches. From the waistline down to the full length of the skirt, which is 40 inches. And I make a straight line. So the remaining 2 inches will be the seam allowance. On the hip line too, I'm going to draw a straight line to connect the points. So from my waist to the hip will be 8 inches. Let me say 8.5 inches. Because that 5 inches, that half inches will be the same allowance. 8.5 inches from the waistline. And I draw a straight line. This is my hip line. So let me label it for you to understand. My hip line, my waist, before the knee line, and the full length of the skirt. Full length of the skirt. So now on the waistline, I'm going to input quarter of my waist. My waist is 32. Quarter of it is 8. I measure 8 inches. Plus 2 inches seam allowance. Making 10. On the hip line, I'm going to input my hip. My hip is 40. Quarter of it is 10. Plus 2 inches seam allowance. That is true. On the knee line, before the knee line, I will input my hip, which is the quarter of my hip is 10. I'm going to come in by half. If you like, you can come in by 1 inch to make it curvy very well. But I'm going to come in by half inch, 0.5 inches. From there, I will input the seam allowance, which is 2 inches. That makes it 11.5. On the full length here, I will input the quarter of my hip, which is 10, plus 5 inches to make it, that is 15 inches. So I will now connect it. Connect it like this. That 15 inches, connect it like this. Then 2 inches seam allowance. 2 inches seam allowance. So connect it like this. So there now. I'll connect it like this. So from my waist to the hip, I'll use my hip cuff. But if you don't have, you can use your cuff free hand. If you don't have your hip cuff, you can use a free hand. So all the sharp edges, make sure you blend it out so that when you are sewing it will not give you a problem. That's just it on how to cut the front. I'll now use the front to cut the back. Let me cut now. So on the bottom here, I want it to be a little bit curved. So I'll now use my hip curve for my free hand. I have my hip curve, so I'll do it like that to make it curvy smooth. I'll now cut. So that's just it. That's the front of it. Front. Now I've placed the front on the back. The back pattern paper 2 is folded into 2. So I will leave about 5 inches here before the front, which will be the zipper allowance and the tail. So at the bottom here, I'll measure 6 inches. 6 inches for the tail, for the cut together tail. 6 inches. Now draw a straight line here. So I will extend this before the knee line. It is 18.5 inches and the standard too before the knee. So from here now, from up here, I'll measure 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches, 2 inches down to the before knee line. I'll form a straight line. That is my zipper allowance. So from there now, I'll not draw it like this to meet the bottom here. The 6 inches I measured at the bottom. Draw it like this. But before the knee line, here now, I'll come in by ½ inch or 1 inch seam allowance. So I'll now connect it from the hip here, from the hip line here. So from there, I'll now come out again to the 6 inches I measured at the bottom. So from there now, I'll now trace here, trace here out. Trace it out like this. Trace it out like this. So at the bottom, I'll now connect it like this to go and meet this point like this. So if you don't have your hip off, you can use your free hand. So to meet this place. So this is the front and this is the back of it. I'll put this one aside and cut the back. go. This is for the back. This is the tail. And this is the front. As you can see, the tail is already formed. This is the tail of it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. That will help me a lot. Thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.